Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that every photographer needs in their toolkit, the UES full-frame camera sensor cleaning kit. We found this product online and have added the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the UES full-frame camera sensor cleaning kit? This is a complete cleaning solution designed specifically for full-frame camera sensors. It comes with 14 swabs, a 15 ml bottle of streak-free sensor cleaner, and a dust air blower, everything you need to keep your camera's sensor pristine. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this kit. First up is the sensor cleaner itself, which is both alcohol-free and ammonia-free. This is a significant advantage because it means you're using a cleaner that's safe for your equipment and compliant with EU REACH regulations. Plus, it has been tested by SGS, ensuring its effectiveness and safety. Next, we have the full-frame sensor cleaning swabs. These swabs are compatible with camera sensors that are up to 24 mm. Each swab is produced in a Class 100 Cleanroom, which means they are free from dust and other contaminants. They come vacuum sealed, so you know they'll arrive in perfect condition. The swabs are super soft and flexible, with the heads fully covered in a super-fine microfiber cloth, making them safe for delicate optical surfaces. The UES air blower is another essential tool included in this kit. It features a powerful airstream that effectively removes dust from your lens, sensor, and camera body. One of its great design elements is the super soft nozzle. This prevents any accidental damage if it comes into contact with your sensor or other sensitive components. Plus, it's compact enough to fit comfortably in your hand, making it easy to use and store without taking up much room in your camera bag. So, who is this kit suitable for? It's perfect for both amateur and professional photographers who want to maintain their gear in top condition. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or sports, keeping your camera sensor clean is crucial for capturing clear, sharp images. Let's discuss some practical use cases. If you've been shooting in dusty environments or have just come back from a trip to the beach, your sensor